Here in this video, my baby wanted to make a guest appearance. What's up, makeup family? So today I am going to be showing you guys my night routine facials. So I'm going to be like really deep cleaning this skin of mine because we had a beautiful makeup application and it is time to take all that off and make sure our skin is popping underneath our makeup. So with the eyelashes, if you ever feel like they don't come off, apply a little water to the lashes. They might damage them, but hey, they're throwaway and you can get some on a new day. I'm going to allow my face to dry and let's go. Now here I am going to put facial oil onto my skin to soften up my skin with the cleansing product. So instead of putting this on after I cleanse, I'm going to put this on before, have the face so silky smooth and get all that extra dirtness, help break that down, because with the makeup, with cleaning makeup brushes, you use a little bit of oil and the cleanser that you use to get all that makeup gunk out of there. Hey, why not use it for your face? This is my favorite cleanser. I have dry to normal skin, so I like an all to foam product. It's a very mild foam. It's not gonna be real suds going on here to dry out my skin even more. So I'm gonna just place this on top of the oil that I already have to give that oil and cleanser an extra okay, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of water just to show you how much it does foam. It's not, if you're looking for a cleanser that's mildly foam, this is perfect product for you. So I went ahead and rinsed off everything I had on, and now I'm going to pat dry because I don't want to be very unruly to my face. I want to, preserve my face as much as I can. With time and age, different things come to your skin, so we're going to be a little gentle. Now here, I know people like to spray their face with toners and let it dry in, but I'm going to take a good old cotton ball, place that onto my skin, and just rub over, because I find that the toner picks up some extra dirt that I left on my skin. So why would I just spray that on my skin and just let that dry in? Come on now. face is all dry from the toner, I'm going to go in with this sleeping mask. This helps gently exfoliate the skin. That's why I went with this instead of something like that's gonna really be more abrasive to my skin. Once this starts to dry down, it starts to ball up, especially if you have like dead skin, and you have to wash it off. If you sleep with this on, you have to wash it off in the morning. Now, you can sit with it, let it dry down, maybe like 15 minutes, and then wash it off. And it gives you a nice exfoliation. And I'm just gonna pat it dry. We don't want to rub the skin too much, so we're just gonna pat it dry. And let's get on a face mask. Yes, let's work that in. Let's work that in, get that in the right spot. And we're going to let this set on the skin for about 20 to 30 minutes. In this video, I let it set in for 30 minutes. Like really get all those juices into all the things that I just did to my skin and give me some moisturizing. Hey, baby. Now I am going to massage in the excess into my skin, and I'm gonna let that dry. Now I'm going to take a serum by The Ordinary. This is their caffeine solution. Now this works if you are consistent with it. This is the only thing I go to sleep with on. And then this Dr. Brandt sleep mask just rejuvenates my skin. Oh, yes. And my little baby, he didn't want me to be great and let me record the video by myself, so he wanted to make some appearances. Yes, camera time. Night, y'all.